Technology is rapidly improving and has made life a lot easier. If you must live life on a different level, you'll need to be aware of some of the latest gadgets in the market, what they were designed to do, and how they can make your life easier. Amazingly, you don't need to research to find out some of the most recent gadgets available on Amazon. This is because we've compiled them in this video. Stay till the end to discover the 12 newest gadgets you can buy on Amazon. Before heading to the video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any of our updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Varishot. Are you looking to hone your shooting skills without going to the shooting range? Then, this device is apt for you. Varishot lets you get all the laser shooting time you need right in your home. Featured in this laser entertainment device are an electronic target that is sensor-based and a laser gun. It doesn't matter where you are in your shooting journey, you can depend on this device to become much better at shooting. This device comes with a Class 1 laser beam, which is as safe as laser beams can get, so you don't have to worry about accidents. Additionally, it can be used by kids without anything going wrong. If you've always worried about accidental discharge but need your kids to learn to handle guns, this gadget is what you need. The standards guiding authentic guns are not any different from those guiding this gun. This means you can detect when you're not handling the gun correctly. Furthermore, if you learn to shoot with this gun, you won't struggle to handle an actual gun. Featured by the electronic target are 6 modes, so there will always be something challenging for you. This device is portable and battery powered. As a result of this, you can always move it around. With $299, you can get this device on Amazon, have fun, and improve your shooting skills simultaneously. Number 2. Airtrick Skates. Do you want to move around your neighborhood faster and more easily, but don't want to drive a car, ride a bike, or a bicycle? If yes, then Airtrick Skates is what you need. This skate is portable and does not weigh much, so moving it around will never be a challenge. Furthermore, you will not struggle to wear it as it features foot pads and quick straps. There's more. This skate comes with hill brakes, abrasion wheels, a remote control, and electric brakes. This device costs $379 and hits a speed of 28 km per hour. Number 3. Darkheat Tactical Jacket. Do you want to always be ready for what each day could throw at you? You'll need the Darkheat Tactical Jacket. It has several storage alternatives and a design that ensures you're never surprised, regardless of the time of day. With this gadget, you may not need to move around with a laptop bag, even if you carry a laptop. This is because it has a hidden pocket that can discreetly house a laptop. So, it doesn't matter where you're headed or your activities. With this jacket, you will be comfortable, practical, and stylish. You need to part with $179 to get it. Number 4. IPEVO Uplift. The tool is one you can trust to help you get the best image regardless of what you want to capture. It has a metal base and a multi-jointed body, so you can easily take shots at the most awkward of angles. Amazingly, you don't have to spend much on this. You can get it on Amazon for $59. Number 5. Urban Breeze. This tool was designed for folks who like windsurfing but are not very comfortable in the water. If you fall into this category of people, you can't get it wrong with Urban Breeze. Urban Breeze is a skateboard with the shape of a surfboard and is ideal for anyone that wants to try out street surfing. This board can be used on various terrain. It comes with 4 wheels that ensure riding is easy and can be altered based on the wind conditions. With about $247, you can learn to wind skate and improve drastically at wind skating without getting into the water. Number 6. Exo360 Drone. If you have no interest in drones and virtual reality, you have no business with this device. However, if the reverse is the case, you must look at the Exo360 drone. This drone features 5 cameras that can cover an angle of 360 degrees. That's not all. Whatever gets captured by this drone can be seen on a virtual reality headset. This gadget has a standard version and a pro version, so it's up to you to select whatever version you're comfortable with. Unlike the standard version, you can get to enjoy 4K cameras with the Pro. Additionally, when fully charged, this device can be in the air for 18 minutes and will not be affected by winds less than 15 miles per hour. You can enjoy all that the standard version of this device has to offer by spending $1,000. You have to pay more for the Pro version. Number 7. DCMACBEADS. This gadget can pass for a regular key holder. However, it's a lot more stylish and versatile. You can get it in 3 variants for $39.95. Also, it was designed from premium materials, so you won't have to buy another just a few weeks after purchasing one. If you need a tool to keep your gadgets and keys organized and close by, this tool can always be counted on. DCMACBEADS comes with a quick release feature that comes in handy in making it easy to attach and detach. Also, its strong magnet keeps your belongings safe. This means you don't have to worry about losing anything. Number 8. Ergostone. There's a lot this device was designed to do. It adapts to your needs. With the Ergostone, you can relieve stress, pain, and anxiety and relax muscles. Additionally, it comes in handy when treating chronic health issues. This pillow can be cooled or heated and has a shape that suits the body perfectly. It can be disinfected with a sanitizer, washed with water, and can be gotten on Amazon for $83. Number 9. Reusable Coffeecup. This gadget features a titanium coating and is made from high-grade stainless steel. It was designed for people interested in enjoying their coffee regardless of where they are. This reusable coffee cup is durable and stylish. Furthermore, it comes with double-walled vacuum insulation that will keep your coffee cool for up to 5 hours and hot for up to 60 minutes. It gives you the freedom to enjoy your drinks at whatever temperature you want at any time. With this cup comes great drinking edges and a transparent lid. This is in addition to the fact that it's lightweight. This cup can be gotten for $19 and is very dishwasher safe. Number 10. MAGEZSLIDER. Do you own multiple devices and want to charge all of them at a go? You'll need to purchase the MAGEZSLIDER. It was designed to charge 4 devices at the same time. This gadget also features a power bank that can help you charge your devices even when you're far from home. With this device, you'll never have to worry about running out of power. This is because it features a power pack with battery indicators and gets into vibration mode when the battery is low. With $129, you can get this product on Amazon. Number 11. Shelter. This device was designed to protect you from the elements. It's very easy to use, and setup is never a challenge. In addition to being very easy to set up, it can be taken down effortlessly. Due to the ease associated with the use of this device, it's one you have to get when going camping. It's very affordable. You can get it on Amazon for $299. Number 12. High pressure washer. Cleaning was never fun until this device came into the scene. It's very handy and versatile. Also, you can trust it to make cleaning a lot more effortless. This high pressure washer has a 6-in-1 nozzle and was designed to help you spray water at different degrees. In addition to the fact that it features different spraying degrees, it comes with several spraying modes, so you can always find a mode that works for you. This gadget has an emergency release system, which can come in handy in preventing unwanted occurrences. There's more. It comes with an inbuilt power display and a mass of 1.15 kilograms. The implication is that you can use it for a long time without feeling strain in your muscles. This washer does not come alone. It comes with a shampoo canister and a water hose. So all you need to do is assemble them and begin using them. You can enjoy all the features the high pressure washer offers for $149.99. If you liked one of the gadgets, check out the descriptions for the links to the products. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates. See you in another video. Until then, take care.